You made this for Dad a year ago. Do you remember?
Mm-hmm.
I want to ask you the same questions and see if your answers are the same. You ready? Okay. This is all about Dad. What is your dad's name? Ryan. Yes, Dada. Ryan is right. Okay, and his favorite color is?
Blue.
Still, good. And what's your favorite thing to do with Dad?
Clara.
And Clara, that's right.
Clara. But what does this word say, Mom?
Well, I'll tell you after. I want to know right now, what's your favorite thing to do with Dad right now? And then I'll tell you what your answer was last year. You reading it?
Walter.
Watch. You can just read the book instead. That's cute. Yeah? It doesn't have anything to do with the picture. It's just whatever you think. What's your favorite thing to do with Dad?
I don't know.
Well, last year you said watch a
Movie.
Okay. Why does your dad make you laugh? What does your dad do that makes you laugh?
Running.
Running. That makes me laugh too. What does your dad love to do?
What did I say at the...
Oh, last year you said, let me see. Last year you said that your dad makes you laugh because his laugh makes you laugh. So when he's laughing, it just makes you laugh.
He makes when he makes me laugh.
He makes you laugh when he's laughing still. That's funny.
Yeah.
Keep your dress down. All right, let's see. This one. Your dad loves to, what does your dad love to do?
Eat pancakes.
He does love to eat pancakes. That's what you're doing in that picture. What else does he love to do?
Did I say that last year?
So your dad loves to go outside.
Go outside.
Does he still like to go outside?
Yes. What is he doing?
All right, I'm so happy when my dad...
I'm so happy with my dad
You finish the sentence.
running.
that's... Oh, you're reading it. Oh, wow. Did not expect that. Okay, yep, you're so happy when your dad runs with you. That's right.
What?
Okay, my dad makes the best...
Hugs. Hugs.
Are you reading this book?
I'm trying.
This is crazy. That's right. He makes the best hugs.
Dad.
My best memory of Dad is...
Going to Disney World.
That's a good one.
Did I say that last
No, last year, let's see, you said, is being with Mom.
Being with Mom.
That's pretty funny. What I love most about Dad.
Is snuggling.
Snuggling Daddy.
Did I say that last year?
No, what did you say? Look.
Dada. Dada.
Hugging him. Yep.
What is this part?
Well, let's read it. Keep your dress down, please. All right. I love you, Dad.
Dada.
Love
Clara.
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 Clara.